Using a VPN with Netflix involves a bit of a cat and mouse game due to Netflix's efforts to block VPN traffic. Here's how it works. VPN selection. You subscribe to a reputable VPN service that offers servers in countries where the Netflix content you want to access is available. Not all VPNs work with Netflix, so choose carefully. Server connection. You launch your VPN app and connect to a server in the country where your desired Netflix content is accessible. For example, if you want to watch US Netflix content, you would connect to a US server. IP masking. When you're connected to the VPN server, your actual IP address is masked and it appears as if you're browsing from the server's location. This is how you bypass Netflix's geo-restrictions. Access content. You can now access Netflix as if you were in the chosen country. The Netflix library will reflect the content available in that region. Streaming. You can stream movies and TV shows on Netflix as usual, but your connection is encrypted, which adds a layer of security and privacy.